a revision application filed before the district judge regarding that unity mall.
We are extremely grateful to the Honorable Principal District Judge of North Goa. He has squashed and set aside the order of the BDO as well as the order of the Deputy Director of Panchayats, and as well as he has squashed and set aside the construction license issued by the Secretary of the Village Panchayat of Chimbel. And therefore, no activity as on today can go on at the site at Unity Mall.
You are protesting for long. What is going to be next course of action, because there are hunger strike?
Yeah. It's a great relief, I say, because now they will go for appeal, we know that. But anyhow, okay, this struggle will go on.
No, but what about hunger strike now?
Hunger strike, what do you suggest? Okay, yeah, okay. I think today we have been called by CM over there. So we'll convey them that saying that now court has cancelled that license and all that.
But you are apprehending that state will file appeal before the High Court.
Yeah, I apprehend because this is the procedure. When anybody lose, okay, you will go for the higher. Okay.
I also want to state that I'm very grateful to my colleague Advocate
Costa,
and my senior advocate Ms. Norma Alvarez and the Goa Foundation, and as well as the villagers, all the villagers of Chimbel for supporting this process.
This is the first win of yours.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.